walks down the street says, why am I stuck in the middle now? Why am I stuck in the middle? Cause the rest of my life is so hard. I need a photo opportunity. I want a shot at redemption. Don't want to end up a cartoon in a cartoon graveyard. Bone digger, dogs in the moonlight, far away, we know where they're going. Mr. Beer Belly, get these thoughts away from me. I don't find this stuff to be seen anymore. If you'll be my bodyguard, I could be a long style. I could call you Betty, Betty when you call me, you can call me out.
A man walks down the street, why am I short of attention? Got a short little span of attention and oh, my nights are so long. Where's my wife and family? What if I die here? Who will be my role model? Now that my role model is gone, he's gone. He ducked back down the alley with some golden gone, that face girl. All along and along, there were incidents and accidents, there were hits and allegations. If you'll be my bodyguard, I can be a long lost pal. I can call you Betty, Betty when you call me, you can call me out.
Man walks down the street, it's a strange world. Maybe it's the third world, maybe it's his first time around. He doesn't speak the language, he holds no currency. He is a foreign man, he is surrounded by the sounds. Now in the marketplace, sterlings and orphanages. He looks around, he sees angels in the architecture, swinging infinity, says amen, hallelujah. If you'll be my bodyguard, I